Welcome back to the final section of the program, in which we discuss some very important points to remember when using and caring for the oscilloscope. Whenever taking voltage or time measurements, ensure that the calibration switches are set to the calibrate position. In the vertical section, this includes both variable volts per division controls, and in the horizontal time-based section, the calibrate variable switch. The next point to note is that certain electronic equipment is connected directly to the mains power line and is called transformerless or hot chassis equipment. When measuring on this type of circuitry, either disconnect the earth wire on the scope power lead or apply power to the scope via an isolation transformer. This eliminates any reference to earth by the magnetic coupling action of the transformer. The scope is electrically floating relative to the test circuit and is safe to use with hot chassis equipment. Failure to observe this precaution will cause damage to both personnel and equipment. Finally, beware of making a connection like this. It's called communing of probes. Look at this example. By connecting both ground leads of the scope to the circuit, an accidental short circuit. Therefore, use only one ground lead when taking measurements with both probes. In conclusion, be aware of these installation and handling precautions. Always try to operate the scope in a clean, dry, well-ventilated environment. Keep the scope away from excessive vibrations and strong magnetic fields, which will affect the reliability and accuracy of the instrument. Don't exceed the maximum ratings of the input circuitry. The limit is 250 volts peak to peak. And no tea or coffee cups should ever be put on top of the case. Attention to these details will ensure accuracy and reliability from the instrument. This concludes the program. The producers of Tech AV training material hope that the information given in this presentation will be of value to you as you continue to apply yourself in the fields of electrical and electronic engineering.